Let go. 9:20. Work. So awkward. My father is watching me in the car. Weird. What's up, friends and family, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. It is now Wednesday on this fine Vlogmas adventure. I'm gonna have a seat because my legs hurt. Oh, that's not gonna work. And my school does this thing on the first Wednesday of every month called Late Start Wednesday, where instead of starting school at 8:15 like normal, we start school at 10:20. Basically, you just get to sleep in for like an hour and a half later, and you get to stay up a little later, so it's amazing. And I always feel so rejuvenated, and I have a better day because all my classes are like 30 minutes long instead of 50 minutes or 55 minutes long. Currently, it is 9:20. We're leaving at 9:45, so I just need to put on a comfy outfit, brush my hair, put on some deodorant. You know the drill. I do the same thing every morning. Hopefully you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. My first vlog did really well. My last vlog did very bad. I guess no one liked Vlogmas Day 3 yesterday, which is okay. You're allowed to have your opinion. I asked Alexa and she said it's 32 degrees out. We're gonna wear my seaside sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt and haven't worn it in a really long time. So once I'm done getting dressed, I'll come back to you guys. Maybe we'll have time to put on makeup. If not, it's okay. It's only 9:25. I have plenty of time, so I think I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on. Normally I don't wear makeup, or I just do it in the car because I don't wake up early enough. But I think I might actually take time to put a little concealer on. Or I love Late Start Wednesdays because I actually take time and I can make myself look pretty if I want to. Not saying you need makeup to look pretty, but like I look busted right now. I also never put moisturizer on in the morning. We can put some concealer on, that'd be fun. If I only put concealer under my eyes, then only my eyes will be one color and then the rest of my face won't be one color. So that's why I like this Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. This has super light coverage, but if I put concealer on, then my skin tone's all even. It looks like I put a lot on, barely put any, just wait. It blends in and you can't even see it anymore. It looks like I didn't put anything on. Bless me. And then I'll go in with a little concealer. Our base makeup is now done. Then we use powder to make sure it doesn't move around. And I always take my Laura Mercier, even if I'm like barely wearing any makeup at all, and I just stamp this onto my face. I don't bake. I just kind of put it on there and then wipe it away because I don't have patience to bake. Also just got tons of powder on my brand new leggings. All right, we need bronzer because I don't know if you guys can tell. I feel like you can. I am so pale. But when you're wearing makeup, that's when bronzer comes into play because you can make yourself not look pale. Now it's time for brows. I'm using Anastasia. Super simple. It just makes a big difference because my eyebrows are so blonde, you literally just can't see them. This is my bad eyebrow. This eyebrow takes forever to do. You see how simple I do my makeup? I do it for just to do it. I don't need it to look perfect because I'm not perfect. Now I don't want anyone to think I'm perfect. So then I take eyebrow gel, and this is just to hold them because my eyebrows are crazy. And if I don't put eyebrow gel in, then they will like literally go everywhere. So I brush them up, all of them, and then I brush the ends down. What time is it?
Time is 9:37 a.m.
All that's left for me is chapstick and highlighter. Make a really shimmery one and put it on my nose, and then put it in my inner eye. What's up? Your room's so bright. I'm gonna put perfume, deodorant, and put my shoes on, and then we're gonna go to school, and I'll vlog on my small camera because this is too big to bring to school. That's it though. Hey guys, so I have barely vlogged all day. I kind of just completely forgot about it. Right now it is 12:15 and I'm in my audio video film class, and I don't have anything to do today in this class. I have to start working on my final exam, which is like a short documentary, and I need to interview a person, so I need to talk to them about getting that interview. I think I'm just gonna annotate my book because I didn't do my annotations and they're due in my 5th period class. My day has been pretty boring, just saying. Nothing really interesting has happened. I've been home from school for around like 2 hours now, and I've just been really tired laying in my bed watching YouTubers and like Vlogmas and stuff. Right now I'm at the tailor. I dropped off a pair of ripped jeans that were like 3 sizes too big the other day. My dad's watching me. It was actually like 3 weeks ago, so I'm here to pick them up. My father is watching me in the car. I was supposed to come here on Monday. Hello. I'm here to pick up a pair of pants. I got the pants and I'm gonna put them in the car and then go into Publix. Oh, I thought I was gonna walk. Oh, my shoe, my shoe! Tomorrow is my friend Jamie's birthday. She'll be turning 16, and the present that I got her, I'm gonna be giving it to her next week. Tomorrow's her real birthday, so I was like, I wanna get her stuff so that way she can have something tomorrow. I'm in Publix now, and I'm just gonna get her all her favorite snacks. Let go. I need to go to the chip aisle and to like the donuts aisle because that's what I'm gonna get her. Those are her favorite snacks, so that's where we're headed. All the boomers in here are staring at me. It's kind of awkward. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that Jamie and I always go to the gas station to get Funyuns. It's just like a thing. So I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna take a thumbnail. So awkward. 2 bags of Funyuns acquired. You guys also know that Monster, this juice Monster, the pink one, Pipeline Punch, is my absolute favorite. That's Jamie and I's favorites, but I already know someone who's gonna get her that, so I'm not gonna get her that. I really wanna find powdered donuts because she loves those. And then I think I'm gonna try and find something dumb like to give her, but we're at Publix. They don't really have like dumb gifts, it's mostly just food. These are the only donuts that I see, and I know these are like powdered, but I don't wanna get her those. I wanna get her the bite ones. That makes me sad. I wanna find like these, but powdered. She's not gonna want those. These smell so good. Okay, we're gonna get her these. Kind of sad about that. Hopefully we can go into more aisles and find more options. Here's the bread aisle. Dude, I don't go grocery shopping. I don't know where everything is. Found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Why are donuts down the bread aisle? I am such a good friend. We don't want these. No, we want these. Secured the bag. I got everything and I'll do a haul when I get home. I'm gonna show you guys the jeans that I got tailored. You might recognize them, you might not. Also, I'm posting Vlogmas really late today. Like when I'm posting this on December 4th, it's actually December 4th, but I just posted a main channel video today, Black Friday haul and shopping for all this stuff. So definitely go watch that. I know I posted it really late, but I wanted you guys to see that. The jeans, I dropped these off at the tailor 2 weeks ago. We were supposed to pick them up on Monday and it closed before we could end up going. These are from Princess Polly. If you guys don't know, I did a sponsorship with Princess Polly a little while ago for a main channel video, and I got these jeans and they fit me, but like they were just too big around my waist and on my butt, so I got them tailored. Since I got them for free, I paid like $30 to get them tailored, which I think is the average pair of jeans. Sucks that they didn't fit me right, but I'm excited about them because when I tried them on, I liked them. They are still a little bit big on me, but that's just because nothing fits me right. I'm unproportional. Oh, I feel like they just look weird on me. Maybe this wasn't a good thing to spend money on. I can't tell if the jeans look bad on me or if they look good and I'm just weird. I don't think I've ever found a pair of jeans that's just this high-waisted. Like they almost touch my sports bra line. Also, look how big they are still around my waist. This is exactly why I don't wear jeans, because nothing fits me and then I get insecure about myself. Oh, I hate these. Now I'm sad. They make me look bigger than I actually am and I hate that. Like now I'm upset because I paid $30 to get these to fit me and they didn't fit me great when I got them done because the jeans are literally 4 sizes too big for me, and I thought like if I tailor them they'd fit, and they just look weird and unproportional and I hate it. We are not gonna let that make us sad because that's just so stupid to get sad over. So I'm gonna give you a little haul of everything that I got. I showed you some things, but I ended up getting a little bit more. 2 of these big old bags of Funyuns because this is our favorite chip. We eat them all the time, and I know a lot of people hate Funyuns, but I love them. Jamie loves them. So then I ended up getting 2 king-size Reese's. Again, we always get these together, and this is like one of her favorite candies, and why not get king size? Who doesn't want 4? Oh my gosh, there's 4 in each. I thought there was 4 total, like 2 here, but there's 8 Reese's. Wow, homegirl's gonna be stacked. And then I got the bag of powdered donuts that we were searching for. Fun fact, I hate powdered donuts, but Jamie loves them. And then the last thing I got is like a little funny gift. She is obsessed with Minecraft. Like she loves Minecraft, which is great for her. I don't understand it at all. I've never played. She loves it though, and she loves watching PewDiePie Minecraft videos. So I saw this in like the little toy section. It's one of those things where it's a little box and then you open it and you find out what random toy you got. So I think it's cute. I don't understand any of these things, but I just got her like a random like Minecraft toy that she gets to see which one she got. And then her main gift I'm gonna be giving to her next week. That's like her big gift, her nice gift, whatever. Okay, we're using this one. Happy birthday, Jamie. I love you so much. Thank you for being my best friend. She literally deserves the whole world. The sweetest, kindest, most amazing person ever. So thankful for meeting her, and with all that being said, enjoy your snacks. So I just finished editing this entire video and it's 7 o'clock already, so I really need to get it up. But I realized that I forgot to do my advent calendar and y'all called me out on not doing it yesterday too. So we have 2 days to do. I'm gonna open the 3rd and the 4th. So here's the 3rd. Aww. This is like the original Haribo gummy packs. Where's the 4th? I don't see it. 4. Hidden. Whoa, that's not Haribo gummies. What is that? It's like this strawberry thing. That's not Haribo. And that's the first time we haven't gotten a Haribo gummy. That means we obviously have to do a taste test. It has strawberries on it. Freaking strawberries. Smells good. It's white. If you guys know what high chew is, or if you ever heard of it, that's what it tastes like. That's so fun though, because all we've gotten so far is gummies, so I like that. Never heard of that brand or what it is, but and of course the regular ones. That's it for the advent calendar of the day. I think I'm gonna end Vlogmas here now. It's already 5:30 and I still need to edit this whole video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my social media and don't forget to tune in for Vlogmas tomorrow. If you haven't been keeping up with Vlogmas at all though, you can click the Vlogmas 2019 playlist on this channel and that will get you all caught up. Thank you for joining Vlogmas Day 4 with me. Don't forget, 21 days till Christmas. Hello. So I know I keep teasing about giveaways that I've mentioned it in like all my past vlogmases, and I haven't done one yet, and that's because, and I know I keep saying this, but one is definitely coming very, very soon, sooner than you might think. All the prizes have come in, and I'm just waiting to give them away to you guys, so stay tuned, because I know I say they're coming soon, but it's coming very, very soon. Peace in the Middle East!